Are you ready to create stunning movie-like videos using just a few words or even a single image? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through one of the most powerful AI video tools available right now, Hailuo Video 02. It's incredibly fast, easy to use, and produces results that look like real film scenes. In fact, it's currently ranked number 2 on the Artificial Video Analysis Leaderboard, outperforming big names like Google Veo 3 and Clean 2.0. This next generation model is packed with impressive features, including 85% prompt accuracy, even with complex instructions, realistic motion and physics for difficult actions like flips or spins, characters that remain consistent in every scene and camera angle, movie-like visuals with rich lighting and vibrant colors, and support for up to 1080 PhD resolution. What makes it even more impressive is that it's 2.5 times faster and more affordable than many other leading models. So not only do you get powerful results, but you also save time and money. In this video, I'll show you exactly what makes Hailuo 02 special, from its advancing features to stunning video samples. Let's begin. You'll find the link into the platform right below this video. Once you visit the website, you'll see a prompt box on the homepage. This is where you'll enter your text prompt, and the AI will turn it into a video. There are also some sample prompts available to help you get started. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a well-organized menu with sections like video generation, image generation, assets, and gallery. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. One of the most impressive features here is the image to video option. This allows you to take a single image and transform it into a full video. First, upload an image, then enter your prompt into the box. After that, you'll find an option called Preset, which opens a gallery of visual styles such as cartoon, realistic, cinematic, and many more. Another great tool is Camera Control, which lets you choose from different cinematic shots like close-up, far shot, side angle, tracking shot, and more, giving your video the look and feel of professional filmmaking. You will also find the free selection feature, where you can manually move the camera left, right, up, down, or zoom in and out, giving you full control over your video's framing and angles. Now, it's time to select a video model. You'll see multiple models available for different creative needs. Choose Hailuo 02, the latest and most advanced model. It offers ultra clear quality, strong visual effects, and very precise prompt handling. After that, select your video resolution and length. You can choose between a 6-second video in 1080p or a 10-second version, depending on your preference. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. The platform will start processing your video, and in just a few moments, your AI-generated video will be ready. As you can see, the AI created an amazing video. The boy and girl are now smiling and moving according to the prompt, based on my image and the prompt I provided. But Hailuo 02 isn't just for videos. You can also use it to generate high-quality images, which you can later use as the base for new video projects. Now, let's explore another feature, text to video. With this option, you don't need to upload an image. Simply describe the video you want in the prompt box. If you like, you can even add camera movements to guide the visual style of the video. Then, select your preferred video model, quality, duration, and the number of videos you want to generate. After that, click the Generate button. Our new video has just been created based entirely on the text prompt I entered. And just like before, the boat appears exactly as described, surrounded by water. The realism, the motion, and the lighting are spot on, once again proving the strength of this platform. A big shout out to Hailuo 02 for delivering such high quality prompt accurate videos. Now, let's check out another incredible feature, consistent reference. This feature lets you keep the same consistent character across different videos. Here's how it works. Upload a reference image of your character, type in your prompt, and click Generate. The AI uses your reference image to create a video with that exact character in a new setting. The motion style and visual consistency are simply amazing. With the character staying perfectly consistent across both videos. This feature is especially useful if you're creating a series of videos with recurring characters. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Hailuo Video 02 really stands out with its powerful and flexible features. Whether you are using text to video, image to video, or the consistent reference tool, the results are cinematic, smooth, and incredibly accurate. If you want to try it out for yourself, the link is available in the description below. Just upload an image or write your prompt and let the AI handle the rest. It's that simple, and the outcomes are truly impressive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.